everyone, I'm Kaylee from Ring Family Services, and this is our second week bringing you in-home art projects that you can do at home with your family. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a geometrical art project. So what I did with all three of these art projects was I picked an item to trace, and then I colored in between all of my tracings. So what you're going to need for this project is one, something to trace. For this one, I chose popsicle sticks. For this one, I chose a couple different shapes of circles. I used a cup and a lid. And for this one, I traced some rulers over and over again. So once you pick something to trace, then you'll need some markers to fill in the lines. And that's it. So join me and we're going to do a geometrical shape art project. I hope you guys enjoyed that project. I really liked the way that my project came out, and I liked how you could get really creative and kind of come up with any type of shapes and themes that you wanted. It also taught me a lot of patience, so I wonder if you learned some patience as well. If you guys enjoyed this project as much as I did, share a comment with what you enjoyed about it, and we'll see you next time.